In this video, we will learn how to create a database using SQL. Open pgAdmin and connect to the local PostgreSQL server. For now, we can use a default Postgres database to create our online store database. In the left menu, under Databases, we have Postgres. Right-click on it and click Query tool. Now a query window is opened. Type this command as it is. Create database online_store and end the statement with a semicolon. This statement creates database with the name online store. Create and database are SQL keywords. And online_store is the name we are giving to the database. Click on the play button. This executes our SQL create database statement. Here in the bottom section, under messages, you can see that the create database query returned successfully. This means our database is now created successfully. In the left menu, right-click on databases and click refresh. We have created our own database. Right-click on this online store database and click query tool. From this point onward, all our tables and queries will be inside this database. You may close the previous query tool. We have learned how to create a database using SQL, and we have seen the create database statement. In our next video, we will learn about tables, rows, and columns.